Attention, crypto community. Just a few hours ago, XRP facilitated the movement of 166 million XRP. Are we about to see a massive surge, or is this a warning sign? Stay tuned, because today is a crucial day for the crypto market. Hey everyone, XRP community, and all crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to a supercharged update, because the markets are absolutely on fire. We're going to break down this huge XRP transaction, the key USCPI data, the current price correction, and what could happen next. And keep your eyes open. This massive XRP move of 166 million could be directly tied to the 2022 transition that just went live. Let's get into it. First, let's check the current state of the market. XRP is sitting at $2.82, pulling back slightly. Bitcoin is at $116,000. Also correcting, Ethereum dropped below $3,000, now around $2,960. XLM is down a sharp 7.6% at 44 cents. Hedera, HBAR is down nearly 8% at 22 cents. But don't panic, this is totally normal. We mentioned it yesterday. The market's been running hot, and after that kind of push, a correction is expected. And let's not forget, today we're getting the CPI and core CPI data from the US. These are massive catalysts for crypto volatility. Now let's dive into the big news. XRP just moved a whopping 167 million. XRP. This transaction was recorded on July 14th. From institutional wallet to Uphold, this is not retail activity. This is institutional liquidity movement. Why does this matter? Because Uphold is clearly positioning itself to provide liquidity to banks that have already adopted ISO 20022, by the way, was just updated on the Zedwire network yesterday. So the big takeaway here, XRP is gearing up for larger-scale institutional payment flows. Let's go back to the macroeconomic side. Today in the US, the CPI data drops. If inflation comes in lower than expected, the Fed could be pressured to cut interest rates this month. What would that mean for crypto? More appetite for risk leads to more capital inflow, and prices go up. But if the numbers disappoint, we could see more downside though. Honestly, much of it seems already priced in right now. So keep your alerts on this is high volatility territory. Also, big moves on the regulatory side. Circle has just filed with the OCC to become a fully regulated digital bank. Exactly the same thing Ripple did just weeks ago. But here's the key difference. Ripple has its own ledger. Circle doesn't. They rely on chains like Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and yes, even XRP Ledger to issue their dollar coin. So even Circle is using XRP's infrastructure. Are they competitors? Not really. This is more like strategic alignment. Banks are stepping up and XRP is leading the way. Another important update. Senator Bill Hagerty just confirmed that the Genius Act is going to a vote this week. This could bring the US one step closer to becoming a global crypto leader. Also, Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson praised XLM and Hedera, HBAR, for their explosive growth. XLM up 76%, HBAR up 46%. And even though he didn't mention XRP, let's be real, XRP has been quietly leading the charge for a while now, making solid moves behind the scenes. So, to wrap it up, ISO 20022 is officially live. Uphold just moved. XRP valued at 167 million. CPI data today could shift the whole market. Ripple and Circle different paths, same direction, and US crypto regulation is moving forward. Don't fall into panic mode. Corrections are normal and necessary. We've seen this before, and more often than not, XRP comes back stronger. If this video gave you value, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Drop your thoughts below, and if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.